Page 45, Pussy Willow. Nothing new here, we're just using our new key signature. So let's look it over. It's short, it's just 2 lines long. Treble and bass clef, 2 sharps in the key signature. We're in the key of D major. 4/4 time signature, and we got quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. Now the left hand here, if you look at it, you'll see it's only playing a D and an A, or a G and an A. That's it until you get to the last measure when it's just a D and an F sharp. So since the left hand isn't doing much, I'm going to go ahead and shorten the video a little bit, and I'll take both hands together. But you're welcome to try it one hand at a time at first if you want. Well, the right hand is starting here, the left hand's here in D position, and it's quarter notes. And again, and half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not too bad, I hope. And then they do this. You want thumb here. Gotta reach in here to get it, because it's a short finger. And then here. If you got big hands and fat fingers, that doesn't work. You can't go here. If you got bigger hands, you can simply reach down and use second finger. Just reach down a little bit. I mean, even with small hands, you might be able to do it. This way, thumb can stay on D. You're staying out here. You're not coming up in here. Kind of depends on how big your hands are. There's nothing wrong with using thumb on that if you want, but I don't recommend it. Just 2 on that one. So the last 2 measures is there. And then here. Yeah. Now, something I want to caution you here, and we need to work on this all the time, is just because I lift up in one hand doesn't mean I lift up in the other. I want to connect this right hand all the way through. You can't connect repeated notes, but you do the best you can. In the left hand, I can't connect these. I gotta lift up. So each time I lift up in the left hand, I'm going to connect the right hand. It's here. Here. I got to lift up here, but I'm holding this down. I'm connecting that. Again. So I'm connecting this right hand, even though I have to lift up in the left. It's important you be able to do that. Now, once you have the notes and the rhythms okay, and hopefully you can play this without looking at the keyboard. Even at the end, if you do that, you can do that without looking at the keyboard too. You feel your way around this keyboard. It's important we develop that. Then we try the articulation, which they don't give you any. Okay, let's go on to the dynamics. P is piano for soft. That's the melody, that's the right hand. Whatever you think soft is, this left hand has to be in the background. It's very soft. And then in the last 2 measures, you get the hairpin to come down to get softer, and you go down to very soft. The first note and the next to the last measure is still soft. See, when you get these hairpins, at the beginning of the hairpin, you haven't changed yet. You stay where you are. You don't change until you get into the hairpin. So that first note is still soft, and then we come down just a hair, and now soft. So each note is just a little softer. The left hand has to stay in the background. You know, it takes a control. You're controlling how much weight you're using to push the notes down, and that takes a little practice and getting used to. Then for the interpretation, again, natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Notes are on the beats you're going to accent anyway, but the quarter notes are. And then you can add the phrasing. And here it's 4 major phrases. So lift up, just a little, like taking a breath. Don't copy me, please. You get into it and you feel the music. You make it yours. Let's play it together very slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics. I'm going to do both hands about the same. We're not performing it. We're just checking notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.